Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Quinn here. Yesterday, I had this little aha moment that I just had to share with you. I realized that the tools I'm using every day, like ChatGPT, aren't just helping me. They could be game changers for you too. And that's why I'm here. My main mission is to educate, entertain, and make sure you never feel lost with AI. So today, we're diving into something that can literally supercharge your results. Writing clear and powerful prompts in ChatGPT. Because let's be real, if your prompts are vague, you'll get vague answers. But if your prompts are smart, you'll feel like you're talking to a genius best friend who just gets you. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to write prompts that work like magic. Deal? Cool, let's jump in. Step 1. Why clear prompts matter. Let's say you type, write something about marketing. That's way too basic. ChatGPT will give you a blah answer like a school essay. But if you say, write a 100-word Instagram caption for a skincare brand targeting Gen Z using emojis. Boom! You'll get something fresh, catchy, and ready to post. See the difference? Same tool, totally different result. So lesson number 1, be specific or you'll get generic. Step 2, tip number 1, be specific. Specificity is your superpower. Try this. Write a YouTube video title for a productivity app targeting busy students, max 60 characters. And the result? Stay focused. Top productivity app for students, short, sweet, and click-worthy. See, the more you tell ChatGPT, the more it delivers. Step 3, tip number 2, give context. Context is like giving ChatGPT glasses. It sees the world clearer. For example, I'm creating content for my business Instagram page. Suggest 3 post ideas for a handmade soap brand launching a lavender collection. Boom! You get ideas like relaxation tips, behind-the-scenes shots, or even a calming nighttime routine. Context makes your results 10 times smarter. Step 4, real-life examples. Okay, real talk. Prompts can do way more than just captions. Let's say, act as a startup advisor. Suggest 3 low-cost ways to promote a fitness app. You'll actually get strategies, like partnering with micro-influencers, making short reels, or running a referral challenge. Or maybe you need help with balancing work, gym, reading, and a side hustle. Just tell ChatGPT your schedule, and it'll design a daily plan that actually works. This is like having a coach, strategist, and copywriter in your pocket. Step 5, the bonus formula. Here's a bonus hack you'll love. The magic formula. It's role plus task plus context plus extra instructions. Example, you are a UX designer. Write 3 tagline options for a finance app helping people budget better. Make it modern and catchy. The result? Creative, powerful, ready to use. It's like giving ChatGPT a costume and a script. It plays the role perfectly. Step 6, tip number 3, use roles. Roles are the secret sauce. Try act as a content strategist. Write a 3-day launch plan for a digital course. Suddenly, you've got a clear step-by-step roadmap, teaser post, value read, and call to action. Seriously, once you use roles, you'll never go back. And that's it. You've just unlocked the secret to smarter prompts. Be specific, give context, and use roles. Now, here's my challenge for you. Drop your best prompt idea in the comments below, and I might feature it in my next video. Oh, and if you found this helpful, Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and share this with a friend who's always asking, how do I use ChatGPT? Trust me, this little video could go viral with just one share. And together, we're not just learning AI, we're mastering it. See you in the next one.